हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते सबको। आशा है कि आप सब लोग ठीक हैं और बहुत अच्छे कर रहे हैं। आज जो स्पीकर के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहूँगी, हु ग्रेस्ड द इवेंट चेंज मेकर्स 2025, ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ग्राउंडेड इंडिविजुअल, most humble person I've ever come across. A man with a large vision for India. He is the founder of Success Gyan, India's leading platform for personal and professional growth. He is none other than Mr. Surendran Jayashekhar. Surin has a mission to empower individuals with the right mindset, skills, and strategies to achieve success in all areas of life. Under his leadership, Success Gyan has become a powerhouse of transformation in a true sense, helping people to reach at their true potential and create a lasting impact indeed. So the one of the most important thing that I felt I learned from him, which struck me, was a very simple thing he mentioned, but yet it's so profound. The 5 things he said on a daily basis as a routine to follow as an individual, be it at your professional front or personal. So we need to have a daily routine. We all need to have a daily routine for ourselves, be it at a personal front or professional front, but make a routine for yourself. Every day 10 से 15 मिनट मेडिटेशन कीजिए. बी इन साइलेंस. Create a connection with soul connection within yourself, soul and mind connection within yourself. Stay grounded and say your affirmations, be it in the morning or before going to sleep. Talk to the universe. हर दिन at least for half an hour read a book. So reading a book, that is one of the thing. And no mobile phones after 2 hours of waking up. नींद से उठने के बाद 2 घंटे फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करना है हमें सुबह को. And then start your day, your meditations, your prayers, your affirmations, and then you start your day. That's so profound indeed, right? Isn't it? Next thing is, he said that we do, as human being, we have our fears, anxiety, right? And that's why हम लोग बहुत कुछ टाल देते हैं कि आज नहीं करते हैं. Maybe some point of time we will do. आज नहीं हो रहा है. So stop chasing that. Stop chasing that snake. He was putting it like a snake, and stop chasing that and just come out and start focusing forward. You'd be able to reach it if you follow it thoroughly. He gave 5 things, that is 5 buckets that we need to feel every day in our life, for our life, right? So एक है with knowledge and skills, very important. Second thing is what my self belief is. खुद के बारे में हम लोग क्या belief रखते हैं कि how do I see myself. That's very very important to understand. And to go deep within, so to understand कि हम हमारे खुद की belief क्या है. Whom do I know? हमारे surroundings में कैसे हम लोग connect कर रहे हैं. So whom do I know? Who are there surrounding me, right? In my contacts, right? What do I have? My resources, he was speaking about, right? And what the world tells about me, right? So and importantly, he was mentioning to expand the circle of reality. The 5H that I've learned from him, one of the learnings that I had was to follow this 5H simultaneously, was stay happy, be happy. To be happy, to start the day being happy, being grateful to God and universe, right? Hungry to grow. Hungry to grow. Third H is humble, being humble. Stay humble always. जितना भी सक्सेस मिले, इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट नॉट टू फील वेरी proud about, or ऐसे too much pride in us. No, to stay humble. Fourth H is help. Help other people whatever way we can. Okay, so it's very important that we support each other, we grow along with each other, and when we do that, we grow as an individual, and our society, our community grows, right? And the last but not the least, the most important one is our health. Keep prioritizing our health. Take care of our physical, mental, and emotional health. That's very very important, very crucial, isn't it? Isn't it wonderful? So these are my overall learning. Thank you everyone for staying tuned. I will try to come up with another learnings from an amazing speaker and in my next video. So thank you everyone.